Hello students, I am Madhuri Abhale from Saraswat International Academy. I am teaching Science of Standard 6th. Here we are going to continue chapter number 2, that is Components of Food, part 5. Let's discuss question number 1, give points of differences. In that, number 1, carbohydrates and fats. So the first one is sources. So the sources of carbohydrates are wheat, bajra, rice and sweet items like jaggery and sugar. As well as in fats, the sources of fats are milk, eggs, meat, groundnuts and oil. In point number 2, the energy level of carbohydrates. So it gives us less energy as compared to fats. That means carbohydrate हमें less energy provide करता है in compared to fats. Point number 2, in fats, it gives us more energy as compared to carbohydrate. That means fats more energy provide करता है in comparison to carbohydrate. So in this question we have studied 2 points. One is sources, that means from where we get carbohydrate and fats, and second one is energy level, that carbohydrate is providing less energy in compared to fats and fats is giving more energy in compared to carbohydrates. Let's move further. Question number 2, difference between vitamin C and vitamin D. So first point is sources. So sources of vitamin B, everyone knows that from sour fruits we can get vitamin C. And the sources of vitamin D are milk, eggs, meat, fish and sunlight. Point number 2 is deficiency disease. Because of vitamin C's deficiency, the disease cause is scurvy. That means अगर विटामिन सी की डेफिशिएंसी होती है तो स्कर्वी ये डिजीज़ क्या होता है, अकर होता है. एंड deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets. Again, in second question we are having 2 points. Number 1 is sources, that means from where we get vitamin C and where we get from vitamin D. And the second one is deficiency disease. Because of vitamin C's deficiency, scurvy disease occur and deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets. Let's see question number 3, that is difference between vitamins and minerals. So first point is what is the need of vitamins or what is the need of minerals. So vitamins help the body fight against disease. And in minerals are essential for the proper functioning of body and carry out different processes. That means फाइट अगेंस्ट डिजीज़ करने के लिए क्या नेसेसरी रहते हैं, विटामिन्स. बट बॉडी के प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग के लिए मिनरल्स क्या रहते हैं, नीडेड रहते हैं. लेट्स सी पॉइंट नंबर 2, एसेंशियल टू मेंटेन. वाई विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स आर एसेंशियल टू मेंटेन. सो दे आर एसेंशियल फॉर, first we'll see vitamins. They are essential for good eyesight, bones and teeth. And in minerals, they are essential for the development of bones, blood and teeth. So in third question, first we'll see need. We need vitamins to fight against disease and we need minerals for proper functioning of our body and carry out different processes. Point number 2 is efficiency to maintain. Vitamins are necessary for good eyesight, for healthy bones and healthy teeth. As well as minerals are essential for the development of bones, bloods and teeth. So here we conclude our give points of differences. Now the next question is answer in detail. So our first question is state the benefits of cooking food. फूड कुक करके खाने से क्या क्या बेनिफिट्स होते हैं. सो लेट्स सी द सब पॉइंट फर्स्ट. फूड बिकम्स सॉफ्टर, डाइजेशन एंड एब्जॉर्प्शन, टेस्टी फूड, डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस, variety of dishes, kills harmful bacteria. Let's see all these points in detail. So point number 1, food becomes much softer after cooking, hence it can be consumed easily. If we eat raw food, that it becomes hard for eating, but if we eat soft food, then it can be consumed easily. That is why after cooking the food becomes much softer and we consumed it easily. Point number 2 is eating cooked food allows our bodies to digest and absorb more nutrients than eating raw food. That means फूड कुक करने के बाद हमारी बॉडी जो रहती है वो डाइजेशन एंड एब्जॉर्प्शन ज़्यादा न्यूट्रिएंट्स कर सकती है. अगर सपोज़ हम लोग रॉ मटेरियल फॉर्म में फूड को खा रहे हैं तो वो कम डाइजेशन एंड एब्जॉर्प्शन करेंगे, बट अगर हम लोग कुक फूड खाएंगे तो डाइजेशन एंड एब्जॉर्प्शन प्रोसेस क्या होगा, अच्छे से होगा. पॉइंट नंबर 3 इज़ टेस्टी फूड एंड डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस. नाउ while cooking food, our mother used different variety of spices which make the food tasty. Okay, that is why the digestive juices increases and the food gets digested easily. So in third point, what we have seen, at the time of cooking food, our mother or any cook uses different types of spices for cooking that special dish. That is why the food becomes more tasty, and similarly the digestive juices also increases and our digestive process gets easy. Next point is variety of dishes increases. Suppose example, we are taking any leafy vegetable, so with the help of leafy vegetable we can cook different type of food items, different type of dishes with that material. So the variety of dishes must be increased by using cooking method. Next point is kills harmful bacteria. Everyone knows that heating kills harmful bacteria present in the food. Same like if you want to drink water, then यूजुअली हम लोग क्या करते हैं, पानी बॉईल करके पीते और आरओ यूज़ करते. इन दैट ऑल्सो व्हाट प्रोसेस इज़ इंक्लूडेड, वहाँ पे क्या होता है, पानी बॉईल होता है, दैट इज़ वाई बैक्टीरिया क्या हो जाते, किल हो जाते. सेम अगर हम लोग फूड को हीट करेंगे तो हार्मफुल बैक्टीरिया क्या होंगे, किल हो जाएंगे. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ हीटिंग किल्स हार्मफुल बैक्टीरिया प्रेजेंट इन द फूड. Let's see question number 2. Name of nutrients present in our food and write the functions of each. So there are 5 types of nutrients. One is carbohydrate, second one is fats, protein, vitamins and minerals. Now we are going to study these all nutrients in deep. So let's start with carbohydrate. So the function of carbohydrate is, carbohydrates mainly provide energy to our body to work properly. That means the function of carbohydrate is to provide energy to our body. Second one is fats. Everyone knows that fats provide more energy comparative carbohydrates. So they are stored in the body as a source of energy. Number 3 is protein. Protein helps form new cells and tissues and it helps the nervous system to function properly. That means बॉडी के जो फंक्शंस रहते हैं वो प्रोटीन क्या करता है, इजीली परफॉर्म करता है. लाइक सपोज फॉर्म न्यू सेल्स को प्रोड्यूस करना या न्यू टिश्यूज़ को प्रोड्यूस करना. देन अगेन इट हेल्प्स द नर्वस सिस्टम ऑफ आवर बॉडी एंड इट इज़ नेसेसरी फॉर बॉडी ग्रोथ एंड वेयर एंड टेयर. सो सेम हमारे बॉडी के ग्रोथ के लिए भी प्रोटीन क्या रहता है, इम्पॉर्टेंट रहता है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज़ पॉइंट नंबर 4, विटामिन्स. So vitamins help in protecting our body against diseases. Vitamins help in keeping eyes, bones, teeth and gums healthy. So vitamins क्या help करता है, disease के अगेंस्ट हमारे बॉडी को क्या करता है, प्रोटेक्ट करता है. देन अगेन वो हमारे आइज़, बोन्स, टीथ एंड गम्स को क्या रखता है, हेल्दी रखता है. लेट्स सी पॉइंट नंबर 5 दैट इज़ मिनरल्स. मिनरल्स हमारे बॉडी के प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग के लिए क्या करते हैं, एसेंशियल परफॉर्म करते हैं. दे आर एसेंशियल फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ, वो हमारे बॉडी के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स को क्या करते हैं, डेवलप करते, लाइक बोन्स, ब्लड एंड टीथ. So in question number 2 we have seen 5 types of nutrient: carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrate provide energy to our body. Fats also provide energy to our body, but it provide more energy in comparative carbohydrates. Then we had seen point number 3, protein क्या करता है, हमारे बॉडी के जो फंक्शंस रहते हैं उनको प्रॉपरली फंक्शन करता है. लाइक न्यू सेल फॉर्म होना, न्यू टिश्यूज़ फॉर्म होना. देन इट हेल्प्स द नर्वस सिस्टम. अगेन प्रोटीन हेल्प्स फॉर, इट इज़ नेसेसरी फॉर बॉडी ग्रोथ. देन पॉइंट नंबर 4 इज़ विटामिन्स प्रोटेक्शन प्रोवाइड करता है अगेंस्ट डिजीज़ एंड अगेन इट कीप्स आवर आइज, बोन्स, टीथ एंड गम्स healthy. The 5th point is minerals, proper functioning of different life processes. That means development of bones, blood and teeth, ये उसका function रहता है. Let's move further. Let's discuss question number 3. Write short note on vitamins and their importance. So first of all we need to understand there are various types of vitamins present in food items. Okay, so what are the kinds of vitamins? So vitamin are a group of nutrients that our body requires in small quantities. Everyone knows that there are 5 types of nutrients: carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals. In these 5 nutrients, vitamins are necessary for our body in small quantities. There are many different kinds of vitamins. Vitamin A, B, C and D are main vitamins, and vitamin E and K are required in very small amount in our body. Vitamins are chiefly divided into 2 classes. So there are again 2 classes. One is fat soluble vitamin and second one is water soluble vitamin. In fat soluble vitamins, vitamin A, D, E and K, these vitamins are included. In water soluble vitamins, vitamin B complex and vitamin C is included. So again I am repeating, there are 2 classes of vitamins. One is fat soluble vitamins and second one is water soluble vitamins. In fat soluble vitamin A, D, E and K includes, and in second water soluble vitamins, vitamin B complex and vitamin C is included. Now vitamin B complex is a group of vitamins. This vitamin B complex which included in water soluble vitamins, it is a group of different vitamins. So Let's see the sources of vitamins. That means from where we get these vitamins. The chief sources of vitamins are green leafy vegetables, fruits, milk, eggs, meat, etc. Vitamin D is the only vitamin which is produced when our bare skin is exposed to morning or evening sunlight. सबको पता है विटामिन ए, बी, सी, ई एंड के हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ फ्रूट्स, लीफी वेजिटेबल्स, सीरियल पल्सेस खाने से होता है. बट विटामिन डी हमें कहाँ से प्रोवाइड होता है? इट प्रोड्यूस व्हेन आवर बेयर स्किन इज़ एक्सपोज टू मॉर्निंग और इवनिंग सनलाइट. मॉर्निंग और इवनिंग के सनलाइट की वजह से विटामिन डी क्या होता है? प्रोड्यूस होता है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ vitamins. So what are the importance of vitamins? There are again various points. We'll see first vitamin A's importance, then vitamin B, then C, then D and then E. So first we'll see vitamin A. Vitamin A protects the eyes, skin and hair. Vitamin B is essential for proper functioning of the digestive system and nervous system. Vitamin C is necessary for keeping teeth, gums and joint healthy. It helps to fight against disease. Vitamin D helps the body to use calcium for formation of strong bones and teeth. Vitamin K helps in blood clotting. So in these total 5 points what we had seen, नंबर 1 पॉइंट इज़ विटामिन ए. सो विटामिन ए क्या करता है? हमारे आई, स्किन और हेयर को प्रोटेक्ट करता है. इन पॉइंट नंबर 2 विटामिन बी क्या करता है? प्रॉपर फंक्शन प्रोवाइड करता है किसको? डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम एंड नर्वस सिस्टम को. देन पॉइंट नंबर 3 इज़ विटामिन सी. सो विटामिन सी क्यों नेसेसरी रहता है? फॉर कीपिंग टीथ, गम्स एंड जॉइंट्स healthy, and again it helps to fight against disease. Then point number 4 is vitamin D. Vitamin D helps the body to use calcium. Vitamin D क्या करता है? कैल्शियम यूज़ करके स्ट्रॉन्ग बोन्स एंड टीथ का फॉर्मेशन करता है. एंड द 5th पॉइंट इज विटामिन के. सो विटामिन के हेल्प्स इन ब्लड clotting. This way vitamins help us fight diseases and functions and increase the immunity of body. They help us lead a healthy lifestyle. So that is why these all vitamins are necessary for our body. Again we are going to discuss this answer. So there are different kinds of vitamin A, B, C and D. Again E and K are required but in small amount. There are 2 classes. One is fat soluble vitamins and second one is water soluble vitamins. In fat soluble vitamins A, D, E and K is included, and in water soluble vitamins B complex and C is included. Vitamin B complex is a group of vitamins. Then we had seen the sources of vitamins. So green leafy vegetables, fruits, milk, eggs, meat, etc. And how we get vitamin D? When our bare skin is exposed to morning or evening sunlight. Next we had seen the importance of vitamins. Vitamin A की important क्या है? For it protects the eyes, skin and hair. विटामिन बी इज़ एसेंशियल फॉर डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम एंड नर्वस सिस्टम के प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग के लिए. विटामिन सी इज़ नेसेसरी फॉर कीपिंग टीथ, गम्स एंड जॉइंट्स हेल्दी, एंड अगेन इट हेल्प्स इन फाइट अगेंस्ट डिजीज. अगेन विटामिन डी helps, it uses calcium for formation strong bones and teeth. And last, vitamin K helps in blood clotting. So with the help of these all vitamins, our body's immunity system becomes stronger. They help us lead a healthy lifestyle.